Hello everyone, I am S. Vijayalakshmi working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about vulnerability scanners in cyber security fundamentals. Before going to the topic, we know the real story like mid-sized company launches a new web application for customers. Everything works fine until one day customer data gets leaked. After investigation, the security team find that an unbatched software vulnerability, weak system configuration, and no regular security checks. The issue is, that means empathize. The pain point is they never scanned their systems for vulnerabilities. This is where the vulnerability scanners comes in. So companies don't know where vulnerabilities exist, and also user expect safe and secure services. The main pain point is lack of visibility, and also into system leakages, also gain to cyber attacks. Next one, define the problem statement here is organizations fail to identify and fix the vulnerabilities in time due to the lack of automated detection and continuous monitoring. Then there are so many we generate so many solutions. First one is use automated vulnerability scanners, and then regular checks daily or weekly, and easy to understand reports, integrate alerts for critical issues, prioritize vulnerabilities based on risk. Prototype. A vulnerability scanner is a tool that automatically scans systems, networks, or applications to detect. That means security weaknesses, misconfigurations, outdated softwares, and also known vulnerabilities. There are so many tools are there like Nexus, OpenVIS, and Qualys. Then deep into this vulnerability scanners, this is the workflow for scanners. First, system or network has a vulnerability scanner. It scan the weaknesses and also the generate the report. In this report, we prioritize the risk, example high or medium or low, and then fix the vulnerabilities. For example, outdated software means its severity is high, so update immediately. That means the action required. Weak password means it's medium, enforce strong policies. Then testing, run scans regularly, and also train the staff to respond quickly, and improving the scanning rules. Train staff to respond, check the vulnerabilities are reduced. So how to solve this problem is early detection of security flaws prevents the data breaches and improves the system security and save the cost and reputations. Challenges, false positives, and then require proper configuration, and also can't fix issues automatically. It's activity based learning. Find the weakest link in the mid-sized company. that means from simulating the data breach and preventions. A company launched a web application, but customer data got leaked due to this. So, based on this story, we find the group activity. Each team divides the student into 3 to 5 members per team. Assign the roles: security analyst, system admin, risk manager, and attacker. Activity steps: each team discusses what caused the data breach, what mistakes did the company make, and also spot the vulnerabilities, outdated software or open ports or weak passwords. So introduce the solution, explain the vulnerability scanners using tools like Nessus or OpenVS. Then summarize the activity. Learners using the vulnerability scanners, we identify the risk early, helps the teams are faster, protect the real users and data. Thank you.